Hi, in this video I'm going to talk to you about exception handling, which is handling the errors that might occur while you are developing your graphical user interface. I have here two labels, enter a number and enter a file name, and two text fields. The first one is called the number text, the second one is called the file text, and I have a status label, and I have three buttons: clear, load file, and check. When I run this application, I want to be able to enter a number here and check if what I have entered is really a number. So let's double click on the check button. When you double click, it will take you to the number button action performed. So here string n is equal to this number text dot get text, and I will try to convert this number into a number. So int number is equal to integer dot parse int n, and if this number is not a real number, then there will be a problem, because parse int, it's going to produce a runtime error. So let's try this and run. If you enter a number here, for example 23, and check, then nothing happens. But if you put any character, for example AS, and check, then you get number format exception. I don't want to get a crash in my application. I want to handle the error before they happen. So what should I do? I will put my code inside a try catch block. So I should first close the try and then catch. What should I catch? I should catch the number format exception, and the object, I can call it ex or e or whatever I want. And if I catch this problem, then I will put in my status dot set text, you did not enter a number, try again. So let's see what happens when we try to run this code. Let's run, and here let me write anything, a d for example, check. Okay, so the status here, you did not enter a number, try again, no crash. What if I want to clear what's happened? I will double click on the clear button. It will get me to the clear button action performed. In the clear, I am going to set the number text dot set text to an empty string. Also the file text field, I'm going to set text to an empty string, and the status dot set text, I'm going to set it to status. Okay, running, I'm going to enter a wrong number, for example TT, and check. It will give me you did not enter a number, try again. So if I clear, this is empty, this is empty, and the status is okay. Now let's enter a file name and load that file. I will double click on the load file button to have some code here when we click that button. So in that file, I'm going to get the string, the file name, from the file text field. So I will use the get text. Okay, and then I'm going to use a file reader. Fr is equal to new file reader, and I'm going to give it that file name. And of course I should add the import for the file reader, and I can use a scanner later on. So now it is telling me that there might be an exception if the file is not found. What should I do? So I should put my code inside try and catch as well. So try, open bracket, and close the try, catch, and we know that it is a file not found exception, and I will put E, for example. Can add the import as well. Add the import. If the file not found exception was found, then the status should be changed to set text. The file was not found. Try again. So here, let me just format it. After trying to open the file, I can here add the scanner and the reading and everything inside the try catch. If the file is not found, it is going to give me the decent message that the file was not found and I should try again without crashing my application. So if I run this and I try to write something, data.text, and I click load the file, so the file was not found. Try again, and then we clear if we want. And this is how you avoid crashing and you avoid having runtime errors by including your code inside a try and catch block. And that concludes our video. Thank you for listening.